Garbage run.
Somebody said one thing.
If you watch my flood video, you know I lost all my water. Someone was nice enough to bring some water by for me and left it here. So I'm going to put this into my tank. That was super awesome. I don't think they wanted their name mentioned, so I'm not going to. But thanks, I appreciate it. So Bob's come help me do this water transfer so I can get some water in there. It's just a 12-volt pump, and it just connects to the battery and
Two hoses. And I've got this little thing here that clips automatically onto your thicket there.
Right. Oh, I see. Let me see.
So we're about out of water in that tank.
Okay, cool. Awesome.
Sometimes it'll lose pressure.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Come on, pressure.
There's 4 jugs there because one person stopped by and left some water, but Bob brought the other 3. That's his Jeep right there. That's one awesome Jeep. What is that one?
Gas.
Oh, for gas.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
It just plugs in
Oh,
a
it's much
cigarette lighter.
smaller.
Yeah. One end of the tube goes in the gas can, one goes in the RV. So if I'm running the generator or something and run down on gas in the desert, I can just take gas from my Jeep and fill it up.
That's nice. It's good to be prepared.
I just hate moving my campsite.
Yeah, I do too sometimes.
So I've got the external propane, you know, where I can use a 20-pound tank outside and I can take that and swap it. And
oh, cool.
so
instead of using your onboard.
yeah, so basically with the Jeep I can replenish the whole thing.
That's nice. Hello, lady.
Hey, you. I brought you lunch.
On your way.
Yeah,
Yummy.
chicken salad.
Ooh, that looks good.
Shredded chicken salad.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. You gotta put your own dressing on, though.
Oh, I got it.
I know you do. Organic. Okay.
Bye. It's the Jimmy and Moo-moo.
Baby. Give me a huggy.
Yeah.
You're gonna get down into nuzzling? No nuzzling? She's like, no, I'm jealous.
No.
I smell another dog.
Yeah. Oh. Good thing she's not very jealous.
No, Olive doesn't seem to be. She's like, are you holding her so I can sniff her butt?
Yeah.
I'm glad y'all are here. Hi, baby. Hi.
She's happy to see you.
Hi, aunties. Aunties and uncle are all here. Uncles and aunties. Who is the banjo? You know Irving girl? Irving. She makes tea. I already stopped at Carolyn's, but she asked that I
Oh, yeah, yeah. She said she was gonna make that.
So y'all pick one for you and Scotty, and then you pick one, and then Jimmy can pick one.
Well, after they're done picking, can you just put one on my thing? Because I don't want to. I'm gonna go for
Sure.
a while.
Where do you want me to stick it?
Just
On your
like,
thing?
yeah, just on my break, somewhere like in the
It's herbal tea, and she makes some Urban Girl, Herban.
Like in the windshield wiper.
But there's an Earl Grey, which is interesting, and then a chai.
Well, yeah, so am I.
I think you would like that, but then there's
Oh, look at that.
organic green.
Pack that in.
That is super cool.
That would be a good thing for Scotty's collection.
Oh yeah, because he likes kites. Awesome.
I like how his little feet are moving in the back too.
I saw the eagle. They have an eagle one, and it looks so realistic.
Yeah, they're really neat.
Very cool. Organic green and
I
an
love
Earl
that.
Grey. I figured I know my friends so well. And you get the Earl Grey, which looks very interesting to me.
She actually makes them.
She makes them, and she does all kinds of stuff, and she sells them at farmers markets. So yeah,
Very cool.
so it's perfect. I came over here to give you one. I didn't see them, and I thought, well, they're here. Hi, girl. Are we gonna go say hi to your friend over there?
Are you
too?
putting Najee's over by hers?
Yeah.
Can you do mine too?
Yeah. Where do you want me to put it?
Just put it wherever you put Najee's. We'll kind of see.
I love you. I've been watching you on the TV. I feel pretty good. This is like the first outing ever where I'm out of my van. I'm, socializing.
Good. That's good.
Yeah, I got the little wing thing. That's my van. You know those little wing things on the side of the divider? I got it closed up with some foam and stuff. So, yeah.
Nice bike. I like how it's that.
I'll see you later, sweetie.
Okay, we're so good. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm gonna be here for the whole event.
Oh, awesome. I'll
Yeah.
be here too.
So,
I'll see you later.
I'll see you later, sweetie. I'll see you later, Terry.
Bye.
I forgot your name. I'm Scott. Scott. Okay, I'm so bad at names, guys.
That's the way I am.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Just now? Kind of like
Just now?
an hour ago.
Wait, I was confused by the two vans. Which one is? Wait, is that you? That's you. Okay. I was like, wait a minute, I'm confused. Too many blue.
Yes, yeah, I didn't even notice that one just like mine. But yeah, I just got here and I walked around with Susan right after, and I saw you, but I didn't say hi. I was like, you were distracted. I was distracted. Hello. So, how has it been? 5 days in? Yeah? Lots of things to do. Wow.
Oh, how long have you been here?
Hi.
Hi.
I've been here, just now. Just pulled in. I left town around 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been having some, not every night, depends on the
Well, here they're supposed to have like music. If you know Eugene and LA Day, they play.
Oh, it doesn't. Weather anomalies happening.
Yes.
Oh, they have workstations all over the van bill. This is one here where they do the jobs and everything. So, yeah, this is basically what it looks like. There's also one at Central Camp, and there's just several with workers just doing their jobs.
It's my Hobbit house.
It's awesome. I did this van tour last year at the van build, and she has added to it. It looks amazing. I like the grass and the hobbity effect, and you've got a bunch going on there. That's really nice. So if you're interested in that van build, I'll put a link right here at the top corner. Great job.
Thank you.
This is the other side, and as you can see, she's not completely done. She's still working on it. This is what it used to look like right here. I love that whole effect. That is beautiful. Playtime with Moo-moo. Oh, someone's jealous. Oh, we got a straggler. Straggler going there. Can't run as fast. My legs are too short.
Yeah, now I see what they were talking about. Yeah.
Max is like, hey, I want to play.
I heard the same rumor.
Well, look, is it
You asked him, you want to have a Campervan Kevin sticker?
I like it because it's black.
not going anywhere.
Nope, but I had to do that. I mean, you don't see this.
No.
But this and this is there. Small price to pay.
Yeah.
Well, it's more to hide my dogs when I'm in the store. I don't want nobody to see my dog. They'll call the cops or bust out the dogs.
Yeah.
I'm always nervous of that too. But I was walking through the parking lot today, and like every rig had dogs. So I was like, I'm probably okay.
Yeah, but people
Well,
don't see
here
this
it's
in
kind of
RV sometimes. You know, see an RV, a dog in an RV, that's one thing.
RV, yeah.
A dog in a van.
Yeah, people don't see me.